So this is a furnace with a cracked heat exchanger, and if we watch flames closely, see what happens when I give more air. See the middle? So now this is the filter rack I open, so it gets more air, and then the middle burner starts dancing. That means the heat exchanger is cracked. Now, what this has to do with the middle burner is what we have here. This furnace is desperate for the air. The return, that's the return, and it goes this way, and it transitions to 6-inch. Okay, 6-inch duct, and that's the only return. That's the only return this furnace has. So that return goes all across the house, then it gets reduced to flat 6-inch, and then it makes this another 90 and 90 and then 90 and goes on the second floor. So the furnace is desperate for the air, and that is why when I open that little filter rack opening has nothing to do with cracked heat exchanger. It just becomes more visual, more visible when I give more air. So what was happening here, the filter gets dirty, this furnace gets even less air, and then it cracks heat exchanger because of excessive heat. So Goodman is very good brand, at least from my experience. Very good brand. The problem here is not the Goodman. Goodman has nothing to do with it. It's if you set up the furnace and the only return you have is 6 inches return, and that's stretched about 15 plus 15 plus another 15, 45 feet or 30, you know, that's not gonna be enough for the furnace. So the furnace failed not because of the brand, but because of improper installation. That's not good. So I'm gonna shut the gas off. This furnace not gonna run like this because it has failed heat exchanger. In the previous videos I also showed the furnaces in the shop, what it looks like once we get inside. Once it's replaced, we'll see what this one looks like as well. So just wanted to show you guys this in action, how we find obvious cracks. This is obvious, but there are cracks you can't really find because there are smaller cracks. Then you have to do combustion test, CO test, and that's how you find it. Thanks for watching.